A good degree will always benefit you. Degrees build up your confidence.
Indirectly you also supported degree, because if someone has a knowledge but he is compelled to make a fake degree, so why is making degree?
Nowadays survival is very important for us, but if you have knowledge you can survive easily.
You will show the proof to them, then they will pursue to.
Well, I say one thing, that is, if you are really talented, if you really have the knowledge, why can't you get the degree?
Gaining knowledge can be more cost effective than pursuing a degree.
But I want to say that degree is actually degree is just a piece of paper.
I think like this is really true, that if we cannot make or consider anyone without the degree that he or she is a doctor. We need some, certification, degree, some proof, and that is degree.
But if they don't have degree, they are worried about jobs or business.
Right? I watch music only, but not TikTok and like that music who's dancing like with the ridiculous steps.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, the eternal, the omnipresent, who has created 7 earth and 7 skies. In fact, who has created everything. And may peace and blessing be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family and his companions and all Muslim around the world. Well, today we are going to have the debate about knowledge versus degree. So who all are supporting degree? By the way, raise your hand. Okay, cool. Okay, who all are supporting knowledge? Okay, cool. Okay, now what we're gonna do is first introduce yourself and then just share one point why you support knowledge or degree. Okay, so who is going to introduce first? Okay.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Simana Jaz and I'm from Great Patrick. And here we have a debate right now, degree versus knowledge. And I'm supporting degree.
You are supporting degree?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you say about degree? Why do you support that?
Actually, I'm just introducing a degree terms. So a degree is an accomplishment of in which it is awarded to you by any school or any universities. So actually, it has a very main power. It establishes your life as well.
Assalamu alaikum to all guys. My name is Maria Khanam and I've completed my intermediate, and right now I am here to debate, and the debate topic is that knowledge versus degree, and I support knowledge.
Why do you support knowledge, by the way?
From my perspective, both are important in their own ways, but knowledge is too much important rather than degree, because if I have a job of salesman, okay, and I don't have knowledge and I have to sell mobile, so how can I sell that mobile? Like how can I know that what is that part and what is this, what is that? That's why I support knowledge. Knowledge is much important in our life, in our jobs, in our many things. Like that's why.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rabia and I have been learning English language course for 2 months. So our today's topic is knowledge versus degree. So I am supporting knowledge.
Rabia, why are you supporting knowledge, by the way?
Because nowadays survival is very important for us, but if you have knowledge you can survive easily at anywhere.
Wow.
So that's
it.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vinish. I am doing ADC from Commerce. I am supporting degree. A good degree will always benefit you. Degrees build up your confidence. If you have degree, you achieve confidence. If you have degree, you achieve everything.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all. This is Mohammad Kashan, and today we are here to talk about, to debate about knowledge versus degree, and I am supporting a degree. The reason that why I am supporting degree, that actually I believe that if you are saying something, if you are convey some knowledge, so degree is a reference of your knowledge, I think. Because without degree and without reference, if you are saying how much the good thing, how much a good message, it will be considered only your words. But if you want to prove that you are conveying some knowledge, you want to prove that you want to prove your words as a knowledge, you must have to bring as a reference, and the best reference is degree. That's
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. My name is Nadeem Ahmed and I am supporting knowledge. Because in my point of view, gaining knowledge can be more cost effective than pursuing a degree.
Assalamu alaikum guys. This is Hassan Khan and I am learning English language over here. And today's topic is knowledge versus degree. And I am support degree because many people in Pakistan have knowledge skills, but if they don't have degree, they are worried about jobs or business.
Now, who wants to say something about, like, we have shared one opinion, okay? Now, who wants to ask the question and who wants to say something? Okay, who is going to say something, by the way? It means you all are worried about something. Okay, you want to say something? Cool. You want to ask the question? Okay.
So I want to ask questions to the supporters of knowledge. So I want to ask just that if you have knowledge, you're saying that knowledge is, far better than a degree. So if you go to take a job, if you apply a job or an interview and you don't have degree, so how will you get the job? They will first ask you what's your graduation, what in which subject, in which. Yes. How will they? You will show, obviously you will show the proof to them. Then they will pursue to the other things.
Okay, who wants to answer her? Who? Yeah.
I want to say that, and I want to share that my personal experience. I was studying in lab technician, and suddenly my friend came and he says, I am doing job since 6 years, and there's a requirements of females. Would you like to do job there? I said no, because I don't have knowledge right now, and I don't have internship, and I don't have certificate, and right now I'm studying, so how can I do this? He said, I will guide you. I said, I have been learning about study lab since 6 months just, and right now I'm not prepared for work, and I don't know about injections, veins, arteries or something like that. But I know work.
What is your point, by the way?
Right now I want to say that if we don't have certificate or degree, we can do job, and I did, because I said to him,
This is your personal experience.
yeah, I
We
think
should not have any degree.
no, yeah,
Just
we.
go and ask the job.
It's not true. We have degree or we have
I
certificate.
tell you that the guy who are supporting degree will be able to answer you very
Yeah,
soon.
inshallah.
So who wants to answer, by the way? You.
All right, Myra. Okay, I agree with your point. I believe in your past experience. Actually, the same experience I did in my past in Hashmani's Gurba Hospital as well. I also worked as a phlebotomist I was not a student of medical, and I was not a part of medical as well. But okay, I want to share one more example. As I told you that I live in New Karachi, and it's a very a lower area, not a very upper area. So there was most of the doctor who were the compounder in their past. They don't have degree, but they are doctor in that area. But can be a doctor in a hospital, in a reputed hospital. And if you are saying that you did work as a lab technician or whatever your designation, but can you make someone compelled to consider you at the hospital or at a hospital's lab? No, they will ask for your degree. I just mean to say that this type of examples and this type of consideration may be possible in a lower way, but if you want to make you considered by someone else at a better stage, you must have a degree.
Here I would like to say something like this is really true, that if we cannot make or consider anyone without the degree that he or she is a doctor. We need some certification, degree, some proof, and that is degree. Okay, now who wants to say something?
If you are giving any interview must show your firstly CV. Then you will consider, otherwise you will not.
Well, it means they want to check that either you are qualified or not. And
Yes.
the degree is not the piece of paper. This is the identity, this is the certification, this is the authenticity.
Yes,
Very nice. Good,
yes.
good.
But I want to say that degree is actually degree is just a piece of paper, because really, because there are many people, they are buying a degree, like fake degree, and they are doing job like a person who is buying a degree of MBBS, and he check on his back wall, I am a doctor of I did MBBS and I am doctor. I have been a doctor since 7 or 6 years,
People are
but
alive, by the way.
no. And people will come then people will not satisfy. People will identify he is not an actual doctor. doctor, like something like that. If a degree doesn't guarantee for your knowledge. Yeah.
Is just is not only the criteria to judge someone.
Yeah,
Knowledge is also something.
exactly.
Okay, Maria, if you said that if you know some people or if you talk about some people who have a fake degree, so indirectly you also support your degree, because if someone has a knowledge but he is compelled to make a fake degree, so why is making degree? There is a power of degree, na? That's why he is making degree, even it's fake. We are not here to talk about fake or real. We are just talk about degree. So even it's fake, na? So he needs degree. That's why he's making fake degree, and this is the power of degree.
Yeah. Now what do you say? What does anyone want to say something? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Cool.
Who are buying degree, like fake degree? I am talking about fake people. They are buying fake degree. They also don't have knowledge. I have seen many types of people.
I see many people have a degree, but they nothing to do. I don't talk about everyone, but someone. And if we're doing business, we have also know the knowledge. That's why no requirement of degree. There is no requirement of degree. So knowledge is very important for us.
Yes, this guy want to say something. She's absolutely right, because a lot of businessmen, they don't have degree, but they are running their business in a wonderful manner. Even this is really incredible in many cases. Okay, now who wants to say something? Okay.
Degrees show your identity, which level do you stand?
Okay. That help us our level. Okay, cool. Very nice. Good point. Yes.
But degree cannot show like how knowledgeable you are, how many skills you have, how can you do efforts.
Okay. Yes. Then who will justify who is talented, who is not talented, who has degree, who doesn't have degree? Okay, you wanna say something? Okay, cool.
Okay, Myra, unfortunately, I want to say that in this country where we're living, there's no difficult to, maintain your knowledge. There are only 2 or 3 days required to learn the work. Okay, if you go any organization, if you want to sit at a cashier's seat, maybe it's take only 2 or 3 days to learn how to take a cash and how to, So knowledge, there is a reality of knowledge. The second example is that in Pakistan, the politician we have, are they the honest politician, and do they know that how to politics? No, but they are here. No? So, and again, third thing is that that sir said about the person who doesn't have degree, but they are running his business in a very well way. All right, knowledge maybe help us in order to grow your business, in order to make you in your way, whatever you want. But most of the people who are looking for a job, who are looking for an opportunity, when they go at any organization or at any stage, they must be asked that what is your qualification and show me your degree. So that's my personal experience. That's why
It's a vital role in your career. Is that
That's
so?
why.
Okay, cool. She wants to say something. She wants to say something.
As he has exemplified many, I agree with him also. But in rural areas, many of the children work hard between 20 to 25. But when they go to the cities and ask for the jobs, they will first ask you what's your degree, what's your qualification. How will you justify the interviewer or any other master person that show me your degree, and how will you tell him that I have knowledge, I have done all my skills. Yes, so that's why degree is important. And obviously a person who has degree has faced many problems, hardships, and he has pursued him to the persistence in life. So that's why degree is important in my point of view.
Now I want to say one thing, then I will give you the mic. Well, I say one thing. That is, if you are really talented, if you really have the knowledge, why can't you get the degree? Then if you are really talented, you have knowledge, real knowledge, then you can easily get the degree. Why are you waiting for? Okay? Now say something.
I want to answer of Sir Kashan's question. Like in Pakistan, you asked and you said, like, don't mind, I'm not talking about your and my, but in okay,
Go ahead.
that's good.
This is not personal.
Okay, in Pakistan there are many peoples like they have stupidity. Like like mentality, like if we don't have degree we cannot do that work, we cannot do this work. And your question, how can we justify who are more talented, knowledgeable or like degrees person? In my opinion, your work will justify who is talented, who is knowledgeable, and who if you do hard work and you do efforts. Because if we have degree and if we find a job and we are doing job, but if we are not doing good work, or I'm not doing good work, in fact not work, I will be automatically fired.
If we want happy in life, so we should do business.
Wow, it's a good point. Like business is much better than job. Why do we go for the job?
I give one example of Bisma Solangi, 13 years old girl who invented an anti-sleep glass for drivers who drives truck in the night, and in this way reduce accidents on road, risk of accidents. And she went NASA, means America.
Okay.
She is in only in secondary class.
Okay.
And she is only 13 years old.
Wow, it's really a brilliant.
She is the brilliant example of our Pakistan country, and we are very proud of her.
Actually, the incident he has told is true. Actually, I agree with him, but they are God gifted children. Actually, she has created brilliant work that other persons can't do. So they are God gifted persons. Obviously,
And there are in few numbers.
yes, they are in few numbers.
For example, just 1 or 2 persons.
Yes, and they justify that knowledge is better than degree.
We can
But
just take one.
yes, and in my gatherings as well, there are many people who are surviving and doesn't have job just because of their degree. They're just surviving because they're
regretting themselves.
yes, they're just regretting that we might have have a degree so that we can have a good job, have a good life.
People are looking for the degree.
Yes, they're looking for a degree as well. So, in my opinion, having a degree is far better than knowledge. Knowledge is also better. Knowledge is good, and it builds your confidence as well. But a degree focus on your career, and
Degree is
it
must.
Yes.
Degree is must.
degree is must.
I wanna ask you the question. What is the importance of degree?
What is it?
I will answer your question, but before it, I want to ask one question from you. You're telling that knowledge is important, knowledge is necessary. First of all, that from where will you get knowledge? The question is that from your home, or from your area, or from your street,
Wow, brilliant.
or from the gathering with your friends? No.
Okay.
Of course, you will go any institution, any organization, and when will you sit over there, learn something?
the knowledge, you
Of
spend
course,
time.
ultimately you will get the degree, na? And that degree will as per my first statement, that degree will be reference of your knowledge.
Wow.
It will indicate that you are knowledgeable from any one institute like Iqra University, Karachi University, and whatever the title of that. Second thing you asked that what did you ask? Importance of degree. Importance of degree. All right. So okay, let's suppose I have been watching a video from YouTube that how to operate a person, how to operate a heart patient. And I am saying that I am capable to operate a heart patient. I am capable to operate. Will any hospital or any doctor will give me a chance? Okay, come and go. I have a very good knowledge.
Oh, very nice.
But no, who are you? Have you practiced somewhere?
Who the hell are you?
From anywhere have you practiced? Have you done any degree? Have you used any internship certificate like that? Even I will give you a chance.
Okay.
A piece of paper. Maybe, okay, knowledge is important, but as I speak in my first line, in my starting statement, that your words will be your words only, even you will not have the reference to make someone compare that you have knowledge. Your words will be considered knowledge if you will have a reference means degree, then someone will consider, okay, he is a knowledgeable person. Even for example, if a personality, a Islamic personality will come in front of us and will tell something about Quran and something about Hadith. Of course, we will ask that from which, give us reference, give us hawala,
Which ayah?
which ayah, which Quran, and he will, if he will have the knowledge, if he will have, a registered alim, so then he will be able to reply. Otherwise, his knowledge is only his knowledge, not for our. No.
He will not be able to
Consider us, and we will not consider him as a knowledge. Your knowledge is on your knowledge. If you are very good knowledge, you're only for your self-satisfaction. You're only for your happiness. That I have a very good knowledge without any degree. That's my concern.
So many people are doing their job without any degree. Like if you take example of vloggers and TikTokers, they don't have a degree, but they doing her work, her
They
talent.
are earning much more than a
Yes.
person who has got the degree.
Yes.
Right, absolutely right.
Yeah, they are. Of course, they are making money more than a cerebral person, more than a literate person, more than a talented person. But we are not here to talk about the how much you're earning. We are talking about knowledge. Do they have knowledge? Yes or no? The TikToker has knowledge. If they will have a knowledge, they will not.
Do they have knowledge?
They doesn't.
Yes, they know how to make the video, how to edit the video.
No, sir. I don't think that.
How to get.
Sir, most of the TikTokers and vloggers are making video just.
Yes. And even
Does dance belong with the knowledge here?
No, they
How?
are talented.
Listen to me. If they are really talented or very knowledgeable, so their videos will be knowledgeable. They are making stupid videos, and some stupid person will.
We are also watching that type of
No, I'm not watching.
At the end, we said this is too much stupid. They don't do that. They don't.
I actually, in my free time, I watch music. All right, I watch music only, but not TikTok and like that music who's dancing like with the ridiculous steps.
If you have good knowledge, then you got good degree.
Yes, you can easily get the degree.
Yes.
This is my,
Now, in our modern times, degree is like an ID card.
ID. Wonderful.
But in
this is your 1 million follower, standard.
but in ancient time there is no degree. But he made Taj Mahal, pyramids, everything. And now after 4,000 or 5,000 years back, you see they are much good.
Yes.
And it is a very great example for me.
And so many people, like I would like to share just one thing. So many people, they are on the top notch list. Like take the example of Steve Jobs. He dropped out, and there are so many people. Like even there, you can take the example of so many guys who are like they are earning a lot of money. In fact, No, I want you to just share your one point that you think that is most crucial point. Okay, so now who wants to say something first? Okay, you.
So I want to end the debate by saying a few lines on to beat them. So actually, degree is our personal fulfillment and our achievement. And it boosts our confidence as well that we have a degree and we are just ready to do any job and to go for obviously many people go abroad as well just because of their degree, just because of their fulfillment achievement as well. So degree is better, and it boosts your character and it grooms your character as well.
My last point is that I think without knowledge we are nothing. So many people are successful without any degree. Anywhere when we go, so first of all, people see our knowledge. If you have no knowledge, you are nothing.
From my perspective, degree is just requirement for jobs, for careers. But degree is not requirements, because if we don't know work, so how can we do that work and how can we do this work? If we have knowledge, so we can do, obviously we can do work. So in my eyes, work is requirement for jobs or careers. That's why knowledge is very important rather than.
Okay, I want to finish my debate with two short and little example. That first of all, when you go in front of someone else, you will not show your complete talent, your complete personality. You can't describe personality at a time. No? First of all, they will just look at your face, your confidence, your walking style, your gesture. And about professional, you can't your knowledge and what do you know, how can you do something, and how smart can do something you. It will be the next step. It will be the next role. But the first thing which through which you may compare this person is the degree. When he will say that okay, this person is from medical field, then he will be able to work like a medical field. No? Otherwise, you will say that yes, I am capable, because no one.
No one will accept that. No one will believe that.
My last point is knowledge is very essential for critical thinking and problem solving. And knowledge is the key of innovation.
My last point is that a good degree will always benefit you. A degree is show your identity. Which level do you stand?